Good evening, sir. I am Jarvis Gara from Western Philippine University. I will perform my video reaction. Video title. This is video number 1. Suspect sa pagpatay sa executive producer. For people in the Philippines, when they have the death penalty, the investigation system is not that strong. Poor people are the ones who are accused. Video number 2. This man is committed murder by insulin. Insurance fluid in the wrong because it is affect everyone else rate. However, insurance companies commit fraud daily by being claim when they should very once it is. Video number 3. Hunting for KGB killer. My heart is really goes out to this strong woman in his hand. Some people are really evil. Video number 4. 6 deadly undetectable poison. It's crucial to remember the poison. It is a serious medical emergency. If you suspect some has been poisoned, seek immediate medical attention. Video number 5. Serial poisoner target loved ones. Why did she poison his husband? Why it is for money or for the benefits? Why did she just kill her husband? Family is her favorite and this is way to kill someone and his wife have to pay for it. Video number 6. Milty case close. Why it is necessary to close the case? When the police or investigator have gathered evidence, the case should be not ignored and closed because we have evidence and human rights. Are your father kill him with your own hands? How will you feel? He is just a son. He is your father. If without our father, we had be nothing. And that's all, sir. Thank you.